Okay mga kapatid, meron na naman po tayong panonoorin galing sa PH News Update na bisto si Matibag at Luisitro na paamin ni Attorney Binluan. Peke ang ebidensya, kinumpirma ni Escudero. Hindi ata to hindi authenticate, parang ganun. Aroy. Ano na lang ang gagawin? Sige, tingnan natin. Panoorin po natin ang buong video. Baka naman nakakalamang na sila Matibag dito, di ba? Matibag. Alam nyo kung talagang may kasalanan si BP Sara, noon pa talagang nakulong na. Eh ang problema, nangangamote po sila sa ginagawa nila kay BP Sara. The more na ginugurgor nila si BP Sara, mas lalong minamahal si BP Sara ng mga mamamayang Pilipino. Di ba? Palag po ng ating video, panoorin na po natin ano ang meron dito.
It appears, Your Honor, that the two documents are not the same.
What two documents are you referring to?
The marked exhibit and the set of documents from Director Matibag.
Kapag ganito bang ganitong dokumento ay amin ding ikukumpara pa. Subalit malaki po ang value ng mga itong bagay sa amin sapagkat ito po ang nagbibigay rin sa amin ng direksyon at mga leads upang amin pong magampanan ang amin pong tungkol.
The document being identified by the witness is unsigned, is not notarized, not under oath, and it is only as to the fact that they used this
Not under oath pala, hindi authorized.
document in their investigation.
Authenticate ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Tuloy.
Pong tungkol.
The document being identified by the witness is unsigned, is not notarized, not under oath, and it is only as to the fact that they used this document in their investigation or as part of their investigation, but not as to the truth of the allegations contained in that unsubscribed document that was not made under oath.
Kamote. Nice, Cheese. Nice. Hindi, sabihin lang natin pumapata si Cheese, di ba?
Also unsigned, Your Honor. Sorry.
Unsigned.
Also
May I make
unsigned
a
because there's a
manifestation,
signature but it appears to be a photocopy, so it doesn't qualify as a signature.
Your Honor, based on the
To
ICC,
the rescue.
as relayed to us by our witness in the next article or in the last article that we will present, the ICC does not require notarization of document.
Noted, but we are not the ICC counsel.
Your Honor.
Ooh, we are not ICC Council.
The pre-marked document, is it notarized? You may counsel, so you're admitting that it's not even your
Yes, Your
pre-marked copy is not notarized, whether we use that copy or this one.
We admit to that, Your Honor. Sir Witness, kaugnay pa.
Biruin nyo, no? Nakapasayan sa sa House of Representative, no? Na-impeach nila si BP Sara dyan sa mga hilaw o sa mga ginagawa nilang mga ebidensyahan. Pero dito, hindi ho sila makawala, no? Kasi dito matatalino tao eh. Actually, doon naman din sa kabila sana, kaso ang dating kasi nakakabobo talaga kapag nagsisinungaling ka. Yan lang ang aking dyan. Kasi 'di ba, pagka may pinagbibintangan ka na hindi naman niya ginawa pero pinipilit mo para lang po mapahamak yung taong 'yon, magmumukha ka talagang bobo. Magmumukha ka kayong mga diyan, mga mangmang, mga siraulo. Kasi pinagbibintangan niyo lang di ba? Tapos shout out sa mga naniniwala diyan kila Jokno tuloy tayo.
Pa rin ng affidavit ni Arturo Las Cañas. Nasaan ang kopya ng affidavit na ito?
Meron po akong CP.
Counsel witness already answered. He said it is in the ICC, I believe.
Your Honor, I am pertaining to his actual copy.
You may proceed, counsel. Witness may answer.
Kamote sila sa script nila,
Nandito po sa akin, dala-dala ko po yung kopya ng affidavit.
Your Honor, may we allow the witness to present his own copy?
Witness is allowed to produce a copy she is mentioning, is referring to rather in his testimony.
Nako. Dapat malaman kung totoo nga, di ba? Mahirap din kasi baka
For the record,
doktor.
assisting counsel for the respondent as well as assisting counsel for the prosecutors are viewing the document produced by the witness.
Teka, ba't di nyo kina-close up si Gatchalian? Halaman pa ba siya ngayon o nagsasangyup? No, hindi ko nakikita. Dapat i-focus nyo rin si Gatchalian. Kung ano na ba, tumubo na ba siya bilang halaman o puno?
Okay.
Your Honor, just a comment.
Counsel for the respondents recognized.
Your Honor, it appears that this document has not been marked during the pre-trial conference.
Your
so
Honor, may I respond to
not
that?
yet done with my manifestation.
Let the counsel for respondent finish, counsel.
So in other words, may we request, Your Honor, that we be given a copy of such document as well for our perusal.
The prosecutor is so instructed to kindly furnish a copy if indeed this document has not yet been marked.
Your Honor, may I respond to that?
Counsel may respond.
The affidavit of Arturo Las Cañas has been previously marked as P-2-10-1-W, Your Honor, for the prosecution.
Then I stand corrected, Your Honor, but can we still request for a copy?
Nevertheless, kindly give the counsel for respondents a copy.
We submit
Yari kayo ngayon. Patingin mo na yung kopya kung talagang ano, kung totoo.
With your-
Counsels rather for respondent a copy. Thank you, counsel.
But we make the manifestation, Your Honor, that such
Counsel may proceed to make a manifestation.
such exhibit was indeed marked, but it was marked under Article 2, Your Honor, not Article 4.
We confirm, Your Honor. Nevertheless, we maintain that this document has been marked during the pre-trial conference, Your Honor.
Duly noted.
Mr. Witness,
Ito yung copy niya. It's the same.
Ano kaya ang mangyayari, ano?
May USB. May USB. Is this part of the mark? Oh, wait. This is part of the mark. Just an additional comment, Your Honor.
Counsel may proceed.
It appears that the two documents are not the same in that the marked documents contains a page and attached thereto is an USB. However, the copy of Director Matibag does not contain that page, Your Honor.
Alam nyo sa mga nakikita ko rito, palyado yung mga ebidensya nila, no? Biruin mo bilang isang attorney ka, alam mong papalya ka, pero tinuloy mo pa rin. O hindi naman kaya, hindi nila alam na papalya sila, para sa kanila okay na to. Kung ganun lang ang kaalaman nila, sa mga ganyang attorney, para sa akin parang napakababang uri mo. Bilang attorney. No, pumunta ka dyan sa gera, hindi mo pala magagamit or maraming kumbaga, hindi mo maikasa. No? Makalat, kumbaga. Itong mga professional na attorney, naabubulaga kayo, kaya nangangamote tuloy yung ebidensya ninyo. Paano nyo ma-impeach si BP Sara? O, tignan natin anong mangyayari. Ito'y palagay ko lamang,
I'm sorry, counsel.
It appears, Your Honor, that the two documents are not the same. In
What
that,
two documents are you referring to?
Aroy. Yung kopya nilang dalawa para magkaiba rin.
the marked exhibit and the set of documents from Director Matibag. With all due respect, Your Honor, the copy that was marked contains a page with annexes, including a USB, and such page does not appear in the copy provided by Director Matibag.
So the copy of Director Mastibag does not contain a page with an attached USB.
That's correct, Your Honor. It's incomplete.
Does counsel for the prosecutors, assisting counsel for the prosecutors, or lead counsel confirm that? For the record?
we confirm, Your Honor. Nevertheless, the representation of the witness is that the copy is his own copy and does not pertain to the copy of the prosecution.
Nako, Luisito, galingan mo kasi malang pasweldo siguro sa'yo.
And we will be willing, Your Honor, to use the pre-marked copy for the purpose of confirmation of the witness, Your Honor.
If you have it with you, counsel, why not just use that copy?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that we can go directly to it, unless there are any reservations from the
We are
counsel.
okay, Your Honor. Your Honor, if I may be recognized, we are okay with confronting the witness with his own copy, Your Honor. But again, we manifest that it was not the document that was marked, and it does not contain the USB. Moreover, just an additional manifestation, the marked copy or mark set contains a stamp certified true copy, but it was not signed by anyone and there was no date provided.
Ooh. Kasi nga, pwede ka talagang gumawa lang ng mga print copy na ginawa ninyo sa Excel, ginawa ninyo sa Microsoft Word, o kung ano-ano pa man. Tapos, original copy mo yun. Pero walang mga pirma na magpapatunay o walang strong support na magpapatunay na legit yung papel na yon. Ganun ho ang pagkakaunawa ko. Kaya kamote talaga, ano? Nangangamote yung mga taga-kabila. Ilang day na ba? 6 days na ba? 6 to 7 days na atang nakakalipas. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pero magpasa ngayon, wala pa rin. Suntok sa buwan pa rin yung impeachment. Anong nangyayari? Nakikita ng mga tao na diversion lang ito. Nililihis nila kasi nga flood control, tag-ulan ngayon, para hindi pag-usapan impeachment. Biruin mo, kada ginagastos daw nila dyan, kahit paulit-ulit tayo, milyones din pala ang ginagastos nila araw-araw dyan. Biruin mo yung ganong para lang ma-impeach si Bibi Sara. Gravity, di ba? Wala na itong Pilipinas nating mahal. Sana yung flood control, di ba? Doon billion ho yun. Si BP Sara, 2 taon na lang yan, no? O kaya, kasuhan nyo na lang ng kung ano-ano, baka pumalya din. Wala na, no? Kaya lang naman nakapasayan sa, sa kabila, dun sa House of Representatives. Magkakakampi sila doon, karamihan doon magkakakampi. Tsaka baka nga siguro di umano may bigayan. Di ba? Dito, biruin mo si Chis sa kanila na. Kanila na, di ba? Excuse me po. Kanila na si Chis. Pero si Chis pumapatas lang din. Nasa standard siya. Diba? Kaya ngayon itong mga tagapagtanggol nung mga taga-kabila, bato sila ng bato kay BP Sara, pero wala nangyayari. Kalitayan.
Duly noted. Again, this without prejudice to the counsel for the prosecutor, furnishing counsel for respondent with a copy of the exact document produced by Director Matibag for further comparison and or observation either during cross or future proceedings later on.
Naalala ko pa yung sinabi nila, nagbawa sila ng testigo kasi nga napakalakas na ng ebidensya nila. Pero magpasa hanggang ngayon, 6-0 na nga ata o 7-0 na. Pang ilang impeachment na ba to? Ilang araw na, di ba? Magpasa hanggang ngayon, wala pa silang nasa solid na suntok. Puro walang tama. Kumbaga sa boxing. Di ba? O, tas ngayon, nandyan na si Matibag, pero wala pa rin. Papel-papel lang nyo pala yan eh.
Submit, Your Honor.
Your Honor, just a correction. There was a stamp, Your Honor, and a signature, but there was no name. Just for the record, Your Honor.
Duly noted for the record.
Goy, may stamp pero walang pangalan. Goy. Wala lang, may masabi lang may stamp. Masabi lang original. Oo, pero walang walang supporting na magpapatibay. Ganun ang gustong palabas ng attorney na matalino na kapanig po nila BP Sara.
With the permission of the court, we'll be using the pre-marked document, Your Honor, for the purpose of confirmation.
Likewise, for the information of the counsel for respondent, would that be okay?
Then we take exception to that, Your Honor, because it was not the one that was identified by the witness in open court. What he identified was his own copy. And that copy does not contain any USB. So he does not have, he will be incompetent to testify on a pre-marked exhibit that he did not submit or participate in.
The exhibits can be later on compared to with a certified true copy at a later date, as has been previously done by the parties. In the meantime, the chair will allow the witness to use his copy without prejudice to any differences that may be shown either through cross or through the comparison after a copy shall have been furnished to the counsel for respondents.
Continuing objection, Your Honor.
So ordered.
Will
Continuing
we
objection is
confirm, Your
noted.
Honor, which copy we will be using for
The counsel
confirmation?
produced by Director Matibag will be the one that will be used.
Okay. Mr. Witness, kanina, binanggit mo ang Tokhang, Laod Quarry, at ang Vice Presidente. Saang partikular na bahagi ng affidavit ni Arturo Las Cañas na ipinapakita mo ngayon tumutukoy dito sa mga binanggit mo?
Objection, Your Honor. Then that already goes into the contents of such affidavit. And since the witness is not the one who executed the affidavit, then he has no personal knowledge and incompetent to answer that question.
Your Honor, may I respond?
Moreover, the court already ruled, Your Honor.
Counsel for the prosecutor may respond before the court rules on the objection.
Okay. Kamote na.
Your Honor, the witness is merely pointing to that pertinent portion of the affidavit. And later, Your Honor, for the record, we will just be asking him to read into the records.
Just short rejoinder, Your Honor.
Counsel for the respondent may give his rejoinder.
Objection, the document will speak for itself.
Chair sustains the objection, counsel for the prosecutors. The document will speak for itself, and the document will be furnished to the senator judges anyway, given that it's part of the annexes. Let the witness merely testifies to the fact that he included the affidavit of Mr. Las Cañas as part of his investigation and part of his narration of his investigation to prove, quote, pattern of violence. But again, not as to the truth and the contents of the affidavit itself.
Gumagalaw pa ba si Gatchalian Gal? Andiyan ba siya? Hindi ko kasi napanood kanina eh. Parang hindi na siya gumagalaw o hindi na pinapakita sa camera dahil nga may bago na naman sangyup mangyayari dito.
One counsel.
With that, Your Honor, we will be requesting for the submarking of the pertinent portion of the affidavit of Arturo Las Cañas, the witness already referred to.
Again, only as to tenor, but not as to the truth, counsel. For the record and for the information of the senator judges, you may do so.
For purposes, Your Honor, of reference, which particular portion to be submarked, Your Honor? May we ask the witness to make reference or point which part of that affidavit he is referring to?
In his investigation, counsel.
Same objection, Your Honor.
As part of his investigation, witness may answer.
As part of our investigation, ang importante po para sa amin dito, in establishing the pattern of violence, is yung paragraph 270 and paragraph 270B and paragraph 270D.
Alam mo yung violence, yung banta-banta o yung grape threat. Para sa akin, bukod sa wala silang ebidensya, mas matibay yung flood control issue. Kasi doon nangyari na eh. Iimbestigahan na lang, sa totoo lang, yung 18 Marines, dyan na nga, ang dami ng ebidensya eh. Santamakmak na ebidensya nang ipinapakita. Mayroon pang sigurong mga hindi pinapakita mga ebidensya. Di ba? Ando doon na nangyari na. Dito, yung grave threat na sinasabi nila, wala pa naman eh. Wala pa talaga. As in, wala pa. Hindi pa rin activate yung banta. Kasi nga, hindi pa natitege si BP Sara. Kasi nga, binabantaan din yung buhay niya. To make a long story short, wala talaga. So, si flood control, mas matimbang. Dahil billion o di umano, baka trillion na yung nanakaw at nawala. Saan ang mas matimbang? Pag na-impeach nyo ba si BP Sara, sigurado bang mawawala ang korupsyon? Yan ang lagi nating sinasabi. Tuloy tayo mga kapatid, no? Uy, palike ng video ha. Sa mga di pa nakaka-like dyan, mga kapatid.
270.
For purposes of submarking, Your Honor, may we ask which particular part of paragraph 270 the witness first referred to?
Your Honor, manifestation.
Counsel for respondent may proceed.
All right. Your Honor, this pertains to an affidavit of Arturo Las Cañas. And on page 186, Your Honor, of such affidavit, it appears that even the signature is not a wet signature. It's a printed copy. And there's a subscription and sworn to portion thereof. But it's not notarized at all. So this is
Not notarized. Hindi na, ano yan? Basta notaryo ba yun? Ewan ko. Kasi ganito lang parang ayon sa pagkakaintindi ko, ginawa lang nga siya sa Word. O ganito, ganyan. Chat sa secretarial o kung anong pinagagawa nila. Tapos, yun na yun. Ngayon, ano ang magpapatibay dyan sa documents na yan? Yun ang naiintindihan ko. Wala talaga.
a mere scrap of paper, Your Honor.
Counsel,
Your Honor, the document is being presented only to seek confirmation from the witness that he is referring to this particular document as part of the investigation of Special Task Force. We are not presenting it to prove the truthfulness of the contents of the affidavit. The question only, Your Honor, is whether or not this is the document that was part of the consideration of the Special Task Force.
Hindi rin eh. Alam nyo, madam, dapat may patunay pa rin yan. Nandoon pa rin yung mga patunay, yung mga pirma o stamp o saan pangalan o saan galing. Hindi yung magta-type lang kayo ng kung ano-ano dyan, ebidensya na.
In investigating on the threat by the President to the life of the
Just a
President,
short
Your Honor.
rejoinder, Your Honor.
counsel may give a rejoinder
Then-
or additional manifestation.
Then we will not allow this witness to build on the basis of a mere scrap of paper, Your Honor.
Scrap of paper.
Counsel, it was the counsel for respondent who chose to use this copy instead of the one previously marked.
That
That I presume is either certified true or contains a more complete signature.
Then I would have to clarify, Your Honor, that it is our position. Well, it's first of all, we are not in the position to choose for this witness. But in the event that they use this document, we manifest, Your Honor, upon perusal that such document is unsigned and unnotarized, Your Honor. This is an affidavit. So in other words, without the proper notarization and without the proper signature, then it is a mere scrap of paper. We cannot
Oo.
allow this witness to build his testimony based on this document.
Your
Your
Honor,
Honor, in fact, Your Honor, we request, Your Honor, that this court peruse also page 186 of such document.
Before the court makes the presiding officer makes a ruling,
Your Honor.
the pre-marked document, is it notarized?
Agoy,
Your Honor, may I
agoy.
raise a question to the witness so that
Yes or no lang eh.
he will answer and enlighten us on why the document is not notarized.
You may, counsel. So you're admitting that it's not even your
Yes, Your
pre-marked copy is not
Agoy.
notarized, whether we use that copy or this one.
We admit to that, Your Honor.
Wala talaga.
The witness will please explain why he is using in his investigation a document and/or affidavit that is not subscribed to or under oath. So it is not even an affidavit, but merely a statement.
Alam niyo po, Your Honor, sa law enforcement po, meron po tayo mga tinatawag na open source intel. At ito po ay pinadala sa atin at atin pong susundan. At kaya nga po, ang aming pong investigasyon ay isang continuing investigation, open, continuing and active investigation, sapagkat ito bang ganitong dokumento ay amin ding ikukumpara pa. Subalit malaki po ang value ng
Kukumpara pa. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa finalized. So, wala talaga.
mga itong bagay sa amin, sapagkat ito po ang nagbibigay rin sa amin ng direksyon at mga leads upang amin pong magampanan ang amin pong tungkulin na mag-imbestiga.
So for the second time and for the sake of clarity, and then for the information and guidance of the senator judges, the document being identified by the witness is unsigned, is not notarized, not under oath. And it is only as to the fact that they used this document in their investigation or as part of their
Sablay.
investigation, but not as to the truth of the allegations contained in that unsubscribed document that was not made under oath.
In short, wala pa silang ebidensyang na ilalabas. Ayaw lang mo yan sa pagkaunawa ko.
Also
Ano?
unsigned, Your Honor. Sorry.
Unsigned.
Also
May I make
unsigned
a
because there's a
manifestation, Your
signature but it appears to be a photocopy, so it doesn't qualify as a signature.
With the additional manifestation of the respondent, so noted. What is the manifestation of the counsel for the prosecutors?
Your Honor, based on the ICC, as relayed to
ICC na
us
naman.
by our witness in the next article or in the last article that we will present, the ICC does not require notarization of document.
Noted, but we are not the ICC counsel. Again, we're just placing on the record and for the record, the
Gusto nyo si Chis eh. Namnamin nyo.
actual situation concerning the document that the witness is testifying to for the information and guidance of the senator judges.
At yan na nga ang buong detalye ng ating balita.
Aha! Ayun nga mga kapatid, no, dahil mahina po ang ating YouTube ngayon, pero magtutuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo, hindi tayo magsasawang ilabas ang mga katotohanan at magbigay ng opinion dahil iisa lang din naman ng ating mga ipinaglalaban. Nandito po ang ating GCash. Hindi, wala ko tayong sinusweldo ngayon dahil maliito talaga ang ating YouTube. Pero sa tulong po ninyo, sa inyong suporta sa atin, talagang gaganahan pa rin tayo. Nasa description din po yan mga kapatid. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari sa channel ko dahil araw-araw naman ako nag-upload. Hindi ko alam kung ginurgur ba ako o kung ano pa man yan. Hindi ako nagiging pabaya naman. Ang naging problema ko lang, nagpalit ako ng name ng 2 beses. Pero nakakapagtaka naman, dapat halos 6 months to 7 months na akong sira ang algorithm. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa sa akin. Kila Coach Oli din, meron din, may ganun din. Sa iba pang mga vlogger, may nakita rin ako napakababa ng views. Pero ang taas-taas po ng mga subscriber katulad nito mga kaibigan. So hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari. Kayo na po ang bahalang sumuporta sa atin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Nasaan na ba yung outro natin? Namimiss ko na yung outro. Ayan, maraming salamat. Yung outro natin. Dapat nasa unahan yun eh. Teka lang ha, di ko ikakat. Hanapin natin. Ayun, tapos iuusog ko dun sa dulo. Yan, maraming salamat po.